Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to download TonKeeper. Let's get started. Start by opening Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Search for TonKeeper. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Tap on the install icon to begin the installation process. Tap on Open once the installation is completed. Now follow the instructed steps to log in or sign up for a new account. And that is how to download TonKeeper. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.